What's up, my bros and my potatoes? Today I'm going to be reviewing every single Rubik's Cube I have. The first one I have is the Phantom Cube, where this is complete darkness, but then it's heat sensitive, so if you just keep on rubbing on it, eventually you could see the colors beneath. And then I have the Rubik's Cube 2x2. And then I have a next cube. Then I have the regular 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And then, that's every single Rubik's Cube I have. So I have the Phantom. Then, that you see it really good. I know you can't really see my face that much, but hold on. Give me a second, guys. Come on. Now I'm gonna put it on this side. Oh my god. There. Okay, so I have these two cubes. I don't think I'm ever gonna mix this because I might have some trouble solving it. And then, I mixed this thousands of times as well. I just did a video of me mixing it because of a scam videos. And I have the 2x2 mix. I've mixed it thousands of times. This was a scam. The scam I was talking about, it does work on the 2x2, but you have to have the 2x2 solved first for it to work as well. Just takes a little bit. Boom. And then, yeah, so that's every Rubik's Cube I have. Regular 3x3, 2x2, next cube 3x3, and then Phantom Rubik's Cube. And that's every single Rubik's Cube I have. Thank you for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. See you next time on Duff Voice TV. Have a good time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.